SoundRaw has designed an innovative AI music generator aimed at video content creators. This tool enables its users to effortlessly compose original music for their videos by selecting a theme, mood, or genre. Once the desired parameters have been set, the music generator will automatically produce tracks that match the specifications. Additionally, users can further personalize their music by adjusting factors such as structure, length, and instrumentation, ensuring that the final product perfectly fits their content and enhances its overall appeal. Resemble AI is a voice cloning platform that uses machine learning and AI to generate realistic human-like voices. Users can record their voice on the platform and give permission for it to be used in future projects. The platform provides developers, filmmakers, and voice artists with an easy way to create lifelike voiceovers for use in virtual assistants, video games, and animation projects. Luma Labs presents Luma AI, an app and service that utilizes neural radiance fields, NeRF, technology to capture lifelike 3D images. This innovative technique, similar to the ray tracing used in high-end gaming graphics, provides a new level of realism to image capturing. Jasper, revolutionize your content creation process with our AI copywriting assistant. Generate top-notch copy for emails, ads, websites, listings, blogs, and more with ease. Say goodbye to writer's block, save time and money, and produce original and creative content. Take advantage of our 10,000 bonus credit offer and start now. Astria harnesses the power of AI-generated imaging, customizing it to fit your vision. Our tools provide accurate control over the AI, allowing you to achieve your unique goals. Simply upload a picture of what you have in mind and experience a new level of production capabilities. Adobe Podcast is a cloud-based audio recording and editing tool with high-quality recording capabilities. It has a feature called Enhanced Speech that enhances the clarity of audio by reducing background noise and improving voice frequency. Browse AI is a no-code platform for data scientists, developers, product managers, and research analysts that enables businesses to train scraping robots for extracting data from websites like LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and Product Hunt. It simplifies data collection and organization, making it easy to gather the information needed to make informed decisions. Rewind.ai is a secure, easy-to-use search engine that stores data directly on the user's computer, avoiding cloud integration and support. This eliminates the risk of data breaches or leaks, ensuring data is always under the user's control. It offers a reliable and efficient way to manage information. Character.ai is a chatbot web application using a neural language model to generate human-like text responses and participate in contextual conversations. It offers innovative solutions for various applications like customer service, content creation, and data analysis. Notion is an all-in-one project management and note-taking solution that aims to meet all needs. This comprehensive Notion review will determine if it's truly the ideal project management tool for all. If you're searching for a new project management tool, chances are you've encountered Notion. Runway ML use machine learning to enhance your video editing process. With features such as masking, visual effects, color correction, generation, and compositing all available in your browser, you can effortlessly produce professional quality videos. The green screen feature in Runway allows you to quickly create custom masks for your videos in mere seconds with just a few clicks. ColorLab AI is an AI-powered color grading tool for cinematography. It automatically matches the colors in footage to a user-graded reference clip and suggests variations, and can also use a still image from any source as a reference. This provides a flexible and efficient color grading solution for visual content production. Descript is a comprehensive all-in-one media editor that makes editing as simple as using a Word document. You can upload media or record directly in Descript and it will transcribe the content into text, which can be edited to modify the media. The transcription is fast and accurate, with automatic speaker detection. It provides a streamlined and user-friendly editing solution for audio and video content production. Midjourney is a research lab that aims to enhance human imagination through exploring new mediums of expression. Their interactive bot uses machine learning to generate images from text inputs and represents a unique tool for revolutionizing how people think and imagine. Midjourney's goal is to expand human imaginative powers through technology. Topaz Labs is an AI technology company that provides software tools for enhancing image and video quality using deep learning algorithms. Their products, such as Denoise AI, Gigapixel AI, and Sharpen AI, automatically detect and fix image quality issues to improve the work of photographers, videographers, and graphic designers. Quillbot is an AI tool that helps students and professionals save time on writing projects by quickly and accurately paraphrasing and summarizing text. It uses state-of-the-art technology to reword sentences, paragraphs, or articles while retaining their original meaning. With its advanced algorithms, Quillbot can help improve the quality of writing and reduce the time spent on writing tasks. Tome is a user-friendly storytelling tool that allows users to create professional-grade presentations quickly and easily. It integrates images and videos seamlessly and provides a great mobile experience. Sharing presentations with others is effortless and the platform offers collaboration options. Tome is a great tool for those seeking an efficient solution for creating high-quality presentations. ChatGPT, a chatbot developed by OpenAI, was launched in November 2022. It utilizes the advanced language processing capabilities of the GPT-3 family of models, which have been pre-trained on a vast amount of text data. To further improve its conversational abilities, ChatGPT was fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. This approach of transfer learning allowed the model to leverage its pre-existing knowledge and quickly adapt to the task of chatting with users. As a result, ChatGPT is able to generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and topics.